What's up, guys? So this is my first video on this channel, and I just wanted to make a quick video about how to properly lube up your keys on your mechanical keyboard. A lot of videos out there have misinformation about how to do it, so I think I wanted to clarify some things and kind of put my 2 cents out there on how to properly lube up your keys for the best results. Alright, so I got my keyboard and I got some lube right here, and we're just gonna lube it up really quick. And once you do that, the space bar is just amazing. Here, get a close up of the. Does your space bar sound like this?